joins us now with the first look at our forecast. Tom, what's going on?
Well, it's hard to believe, but just take a look how nice.
So, what is happening, viewers? What is happening?
Blackbeard Marine, not a cloud in the sky, except
I know you know that lightning video
isolated shower that came on through.
is open wide. What was that? I recorded it. You know that video, guys. You do. I know you do.
Looking at it's right up here over my shoulder. It's the front range of the Colorado Rockies. We're starting
So, what is happening, guys? Ah, my phone's unplugged. Stop it, phone! I'm trying. It is open wide. That video, there's a slope. Seriously, phone, you always have to unplug your charger.
Go sit outside.
I'm backwards, baby. Guys, Joey, video, subscribe, more views like you. Thank you.